Are you on a weight loss journey and still craving ice cream? I have a perfect healthy alternative for you. This creamy ice cream is packed with 35 grams of protein, made with real fruit, and you need just a blender. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cook with Sonita. If you're on a weight loss journey and still want to eat ice cream, this recipe is for you. Today I'm making a healthy, high protein ice cream using real fruit, banana, mango, coconut, and 0% sugar yogurt. I equally use plant-based protein powder. It is creamy, natural, sweet, packed with about 35 grams of protein. The best part about this recipe is you don't need the ice cream machine. All you need is a blender, a few simple ingredients, and in a few minutes you will have a creamy, delicious high protein ice cream. If you're new to Cook with Sonita, or this is the first time you are watching my video, you are welcome. I'm so happy you're here today. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button to join Cook with Sonita family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new recipe. Stay with me till the end of the video and I will show you how to use these simple ingredients to turn into creamy ice cream, delicious high protein. I will walk you through every step so you can make it at home using just your blender. Here is the final result: creamy, delicious, and packed with high protein. I hope you give this recipe a try and don't forget to leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cook with Sonita, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my recipe. See you next week, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.